Hello everyone. In today's fast-paced world, keeping a clean home can be a challenge. And with so many robot vacuums on the market, it can be difficult to know which one is right for you. That's why we've done the research to help you make an informed decision and understand the importance of choosing the best robot vacuum for your home. Robot vacuums are designed to make cleaning your home easier, more efficient, and more convenient. They can save you time and energy by cleaning while you're away, so you can come home to a spotless home. But not all robot vacuums are created equal. Choosing the right one for your home can make a big difference in the performance, ease of use, and overall satisfaction you'll experience with your purchase. One of the most important things to consider when choosing a robot vacuum is the suction power. The more powerful the suction, the better it will be at picking up dirt and debris from your floors. Look for vacuums with powerful motors and high suction ratings. Another important factor to consider is navigation. A robot vacuum with advanced navigation technology, such as LiDAR or VSLAM, will be able to clean your home more efficiently and effectively. It will be able to map your home and clean in neat, efficient rows, ensuring that no spot is missed. You also want to consider the filtration system. Look for vacuums with HEPA filters, which can capture and trap up to 99.97% of dust and allergens. A self-emptying base is also a convenient feature to have. In the light of all that, we have conducted a research and picked top 3 best robot vacuums 2023 for you. You can find links to each product in the description below. These vacuums are at the forefront of technology and are packed with features that will make cleaning your home easier and more efficient than ever before. Number 3. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. This powerful robot vacuum from Shark is designed to tackle even the toughest messes in your home and leave your floors spotless. First off, let's talk about the suction power of this vacuum. It's equipped with Shark's powerful suction technology that can pick up dirt and debris on all floor types, from carpets to hard floors. With Matrix Clean navigation, the vacuum uses a precise matrix grid to take multiple passes over dirt and debris for whole home, deep cleaning coverage. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its self-emptying base. It can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris, making it ideal for busy households. And, with its true HEPA filtration system, it captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns. In addition, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is equipped with 360-degree LiDAR vision that quickly and accurately maps your home. It uses this map to methodically clean your home, detecting and avoiding objects in its path. This feature ensures that your robot can work effectively even at night, adapting to everyday changes in your home. This vacuum is also perfect for homes with pets. The powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and HEPA filtration system are specifically designed to capture pet hair, dust, dander, and allergens with ease. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum also offers hands-free control. You can set a cleaning schedule, initiate on-demand cleaning, or activate the vacuum with the sound of your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The vacuum's extended runtime of up to 120 minutes allows for whole home cleaning, and with its recharge and resume feature, it will return to the dock, recharge, and then pick up where it left off. Shark puts their robots through rigorous testing to guarantee reliable and high-quality performance, so you know you're getting a quality product. The package includes one Shark AI Ultra Robot, one XL HEPA self-empty base, and 2 side brushes. Number 2. Roborock S7 Robot Vacuum and Mop. This advanced robotic vacuum cleaner is designed to tackle all your cleaning needs, leaving your floors spotless. The Roborock S7 is equipped with a number of cutting-edge technologies that set it apart from other robot vacuums on the market. One of the most impressive is the sonic mopping technology, which allows the S7 to scrub up to 3,000 times per minute, effectively cleaning stains from coffee to mud and more. The 300 ml electronic water tank ensures a consistent water flow for deep cleaning. Another standout feature of the Roborock S7 is the intelligent mop lifting system. This system allows the robot to automatically lift the mop when it detects a carpet, so you can mop hard floors and vacuum carpets in a single clean. The mop also raises when cleaning is finished to avoid spreading dirt, and when docked, so you don't have to deal with dirty plastic mats and streaks. The S7 also features an upgraded brush system with a multi-directional floating brush that keeps the brush closer to the ground for deeper cleaning, even on uneven surfaces. The new rubber brush is more durable and resists hair tangling, making it perfect for homes with pets. And with 600 G mop pressure and 2500 PA hyperforce suction, the S7 easily lifts dust and hair from floors and pulls it from deep inside carpets. One of the key benefits of Roborock S7 is the ultrasonic carpet recognition, which uses ultrasonic sound to identify carpets and automatically boost the suction power for a deeper carpet cleaning. It also allows you to choose to have the mop lift to vacuum low-pile carpets or use no-mop zones to prevent it from cleaning medium and high-pile carpets. This ensures you don't have to worry about wet carpets while cleaning the floor. The S7 also offers comprehensive app control through the Roborock app, which allows you to see the exact mopping and vacuuming routes, where carpets are located, set cleaning schedules, adjust suction power, vibration strength, water flow, set no-go zones, invisible walls and more. It also has voice control compatibility with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts, which allows you to command your robot with the power of your voice. The Roborock S7 also uses LiDAR navigation and adaptive route algorithms to ensure accurate cleaning and the most efficient route for cleaning. With its powerful battery, the S7 delivers up to 180 minutes of non-stop cleaning on a single charge, so you can clean your entire home at once. Number 1. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus 9550 Robot Vacuum. This powerful robot vacuum from iRobot is designed to take your cleaning to the next level, making it the smartest and most powerful Roomba yet. One of the most impressive features of the Roomba S9 Plus is its powerful suction. With 40x the suction power of the Roomba 600 series, it has the ability to lift, loosen, and eliminate debris and pet hair from deep within your carpets, giving you a clean that you won't believe with no effort from you. With Power Boost technology, it can also automatically increase suction to clean even deeper into carpets. Another key feature of the Roomba S9 Plus is its automatic dirt disposal. With the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, the Roomba can empty itself for up to 60 days, meaning you won't have to think about vacuuming for months at a time. The Roomba S9 Plus is also guided by advanced smarts. Using VSLAM navigation, it learns the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps, enabling it to expertly clean and navigate in neat, efficient rows. With Careful Drive mode, it can detect objects in its path and clean around them without jostling or nudging. The Roomba S9 Plus is also designed to clean deep into corners and along edges with its Perfect Edge technology, advanced sensors, and specially designed corner brush. Its unique multi-surface dual rubber brushes are 30% wider, and won't get tangled with pet hair, making it perfect for homes with pets. The Roomba S9 Plus also offers personalized cleaning suggestions powered by the unique intelligence of iRobot OS. It learns your habits and routines and can spot clean messes the moment they happen with simple voice commands or through the iRobot Home app. The Roomba S9 Plus also has the ability to automatically clean when you're away, thanks to iRobot OS. It can map your home, navigate in neat and efficient rows and even recharge and resume when the battery is low. You can also team it up with the Braava Jet M6 robot mop for a comprehensive clean with just a single command. Overall, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus 9550 is a powerful, feature-packed robot vacuum that offers unparalleled cleaning performance. With its advanced navigation, automatic dirt disposal, and personalized cleaning suggestions, it takes vacuuming off your mind, making it the dream team of clean. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this. And there you have it. Our top pick for the best robot vacuums of 2023. We hope this video was helpful in guiding you towards finding the perfect vacuum for your home. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, as well as other product reviews and home cleaning tips. We strive to provide you with the most up-to-date and accurate information, so you can make informed decisions when it comes to keeping your home clean. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know about our latest videos, and you'll never miss out on important information about the products you're interested in. We hope you found this video helpful and look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.